Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you close your eBay account on your mobile phone, on your Apple iPhone. So for this, we just need to go on our eBay website here. I will delete it direct from eBay website because I don't have application right now in my phone. So what I have to do, this is my eBay website you can see, and I will just go on the three dot option and click on the eBay on left top of the screen here, and on the fourth option you will find help and contact. So just click on help and contact option here of eBay website, scroll to the down, and you will see the option called browse help articles for account here. Click on account here, go down. Whenever you will go down, you will see the basic setting option here, and on the last you will see close your account. So just click on closing your account option. You have to scroll to the down here, and on the bottom you will see a blue option called close account. Click on that, and here select the reason for by which you can just delete your account. Why you want to close your account on eBay, you just have to mention that reason here. I will click on the personal reason, and the second reason is I will click on the other option, because if you don't have any reason you can just click on other and proceed further. And now you can see my account is successfully deleted and closed within 24 hours. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you like, and we will meet again with next and the best video with all of you.